wide angle lens. All right, you guys, today we're at the Crack Shack here in Las Vegas. Brand new shop opened up, and their primary product is fried chicken and fried chicken products. I got the Firebird today. It's a very bright day here in Vegas, not too hot right now, but Sunday morning about 10:30. Got here early. It is football Sunday, so they are showing a lot of games on their flat screen TVs, which is always nice. All right, let's just jump right into it. By the way, please subscribe and all that good stuff. Thumbs up. And don't forget, in the video, I usually show a small little clip of me somewhere else. Could be a story time or anything like that. All right, now that's out of the way. Let's get cracking on this Firebird. It is a messy, messy burger, as you can see. It is stuffed full of stuff. Just take that big Mark Wings bite. They say it's supposed to be spicy, but the spice is kind of mild. Like I always say, if you're not a fan of spice, then it might be too spicy for you. First bite, not bad. Not bad at all. Another bite. This place, Crack Shack, is the brainchild of one of the top chef guys. I forgot his name. Need a wider angle. All right, it's about finished. Overall, you know, it's not bad. Got my fork and knife. Thank you, Miss Staff Member. But the Crack Shack, they need a theme song, you know? They should work with the B-52s to Love Shack, the Crack Shack. Crack Shack, baby. Delicious chicken. Crack Shack. Crack Shack. All right, sorry. If you're in Vegas somewhere, you see Crack Shack, stop by, give it a try. Why not, yeah? Oh, I don't know. Sorry. They asked me if they sell breakfast. I don't know. First time here. The Crack Shack is located across from Ross Dress for Less and next to the Italy here on the Strip. It's open at 10 a.m. until late. I forgot the exact hours. But like I said, if you're in Vegas, come on down, give it a try, or if you're a Crack Shack aficionado, you can compare the Crack Shack we ate at before and the Crack Shack here in Vegas. Compare it to cleanliness, service, taste, price, all those good things. All right, you got to go away, safe, see, try it. Hope you like it. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day. Don't forget to watch whatever's coming next. It could be a story time, or it could be a clip of me somewhere in some foreign country doing something and relaxing, all right? Hey, I'm having fun with my videos, all right, you guys? And I will see you again real soon. Whoa, like a baby in there. Hey, dude. Check it out. Don't eat me, don't eat me, don't eat me. I think that was actually a song a long time ago in Japan. But anyway, this is it's kind of chocolate cream stuff inside here. I have no idea. Traditionally it's bean paste, but I'm not a fan of bean paste. But now they have chocolate cream. There was a sweet potato cream, I think, but I passed on that. So, standard chocolate. Take a bite, see how it is. Let's go tail first. Standard eclair type filling. It's just okay, yeah. Standard. Okay. Now, how about Japan? I was walking through the Akebara. Just walking down the sidewalk, and you know, Akebara is like called Electric Town, but also a lot of the quote-unquote otakus, the guys who really like the guys who into like Sailor Moon or any kind of well, here we go, or any kind of anime characters. This is pachinko, sorry. look at anime characters or any kind of doll collecting. Anyway, that's like about a maid cafes, a whole shebang. That's cool though. So anyway, walking down the street, just, you know, walking. I see this chick. I shouldn't say chick. I see a person sitting down eating a bento, I think. You know, schoolgirl uniform, the whole thing, yeah? It was a dude. I love Japan.